All right, so again, let's answer some problems involving measures of position. The method that I'm going to use here is what we call the nearest rank method. This is kind of different from linear interpolation. This is a lot simpler, and sometimes most students and teachers actually prefer this method. So the formula that I'm going to use here is like this one. Okay, so it's going to be k over 100 times n. So the 100 is because we're solving for the 35th percentile. So percentile means we divide the set of data into 100. So first thing we need to do is, of course, arrange the data in ascending order, meaning from lowest to the highest. So we have here 100, 105, 110, etc., etc., until 140. So the k here is 35, n is the number of data that we have here. Let's count that. So for 100, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have 9. So now it's going to be like this. So 35 over 100 times 9, and the answer is 2.25. So in nearest rank method, we will not be doing interpolation. Okay? So 2.25, this means regardless of whatever the decimal point is, we will round up the answer. So round up, that means the third value. So what's the third value? It is 110. So that means that's the 35th percentile. Simple as that, right? All right, let's answer another problem. This time it involves decile. So here we need to find the 7th decile. So the formula now is going to be k over 10. So the reason why it's 10 is because in decile, we divide the set of data into 10 equal parts, or we divide it into 10. So first things first, the data should be arranged or sorted out from the smallest to the highest, just like in my example here. In case the data is not arranged, you need to arrange it. Okay, so keep that in mind. So k here is going to be 7. N is, of course, we just need to count all the values here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10. So that would be 7 over 10 times 10. That's going to be easy because that's just equal to 7. So meaning we need to just encircle the 7th value, which is 28. Okay. So that's the answer. No need to round up this time. The decile or the 7th decile is equivalent to 28. All right, let's answer this one last example. Here we need to find quartile number 1, and of course the formula is going to change. It's going to be over 4 this time because in a quartile we divide the set of data into 4 equal parts. So again, we need to sort out the problem from the smallest to the highest. You need to make that sure. If in case the data is not arranged, you need to arrange it. So here it's already arranged. So the next thing that we will do here is to count the number of data that we have here. So we have 5, 7, 8 until 27. That's 11. Okay? So that means it will be 1 over 4 times 11, and that will be equivalent to 2.75. Now, regardless if, after that decimal point, if it's 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, it doesn't matter. You need to round off the value. Okay, so that means we need to look for the third value of the data, and that's number 8. So quartile number 1 is